Hello, it's Amanda from Body Harmonies Massage and Aromatherapy here. I just wanted to drop in briefly and talk about how to look after skin that is oily and prone to breakouts and acne. So quite an issue, I think, for some of us with teenage children who get very embarrassed about skin breakouts and wonder what on earth to do. And historically, the idea has been that you cleanse, and you strip the oil away so that the oil doesn't build up and clog the pores. And actually, that's the wrong way to go about it. All that does is that it encourages the skin to produce more oil because it perceives that its natural oils are being stripped away. So the idea now is to try and get the skin to balance itself. You obviously need to be careful of infections, and if acne is very, very bad, then sometimes the antibiotic course from the GP is the only way. But it's worth trying a natural approach first. So I'd like to introduce Neal's Yard's Palmarosa range here. So we have a facial wash, which is a soap-free, lathers up very nicely in warm water. It's very, very gentle. We've then got a toner, which then helps to remove everything that you've put on. Is a very good thing to use after you've cleansed, just to make sure there's no soap residue or anything like that. And then a moisturiser, which again may seem counterintuitive, but you're wanting to get the skin to balance, and skin needs lubrication and it needs moisture and it needs care. So the Neal's Yard range has Palmarosa oil in it, which is a very purifying oil. It's very cleansing. It's quite highly antiseptic, antiviral, antibiotic type action. So it'll kill bugs. There are quite a lot of other ingredients as well that will help. The witch hazel in the toner is also cooling to skin that is a bit red and angry, and slightly astringent, but not too much, not so astringent it's going to then strip the oil of the skin of its natural oils. So it's about treating it carefully and getting it to balance. It'll take a few weeks, possibly a month, to show any real difference, but it's worth persevering. So your routine should be obviously keeping the skin as clean as possible, because it's the bacteria in the air, pollution, whatever, that sticks to the skin's oils and then gets into the pores, and it's that causes the infection. So you're still wanting to keep the skin very clean. It's just a question of doing it gently. So your cleansing routine, and obviously if you are wearing makeup, then you can use an ordinary cleansing cream, lotion. The lotion's probably better. And then a moisturiser. So we have a choice of the Palmarosa moisturiser or yarrow and comfrey. And yarrow and comfrey are both very, very healing herbs, known in herbal tradition. Yarrow is also quite antiseptic and helps to prevent infection. So that's quite a good one to use. And then a weekly scrub. Again, you're wanting to be gentle, so you want to be moving away the top skin, dead skin cells. You want to be getting into the sort of the pores and removing any excess sebum residue. So a weekly scrub with the facial polish, which has also got mahonia in it. And mahonia is another very strong healing herb that helps the skin to produce more skin cells to heal itself. And then your spot-on remedy for individual breakouts is Mahonia Skin Gel, which comes in a very small 10ml vial with a little pump action. And just one dab of that on your spot, on the offending breakout. Even at the stage where you can just feel it coming, but you can't quite see it yet. You just get a tiny, tiny sort of sensation of tingling, where you think, oh no, by the morning I'm going to have a huge great whitehead there, or some sort of breakout. So if you can get that Mahonia gel on it immediately, it'll go away within days. I mean, when I was menopausal, I was very prone to breakouts around my T-zone, and the Mahonia gel just stopped them in their tracks. It's absolutely brilliant. So that's the Neal's Yard Palmarosa range. So just to recap, it's a light cleanser or a foaming wash, followed by the purifying toner, which helps balance and refresh and hydrate the skin. And then a moisturizer that is calming and hydrating with a mattifying finish. And then you can target any blemishes with a separate treatment to calm the skin and keep it under control. So that's your Mahonia Mahonia gel. Oh, and there is also, before I forget, if you find that after an hour or so your skin is shiny again, we do make a mattifying serum, which again gives you that moisture that the skin needs, but prevents the skin from looking oily, and it reduces excess shine during the day. So that's the purifying Palmarosa mattifier and the facial mask. So we've got the Mahonia skin gel, the facial scrub, the oil-free calming serum, and also a facial mask, again, which is a nice treatment to use once a week, which I talked about in my other talk on masks. So if you wish to purchase anything, there are some bundle deals on that, and the link to the shop is in the comments on the bottom of this presentation. And if you have any questions, then do please pop me a message in the messages, or if you'd rather be discreet about it, just send me a direct message. That's absolutely fine. And I'll be around for the whole week to answer any questions, discuss anything that you want to talk about with regard to skin problems. So thank you for listening, and I will hopefully speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.